Hello, DAPPS users, and welcome to the DAPPS video tutorials. The Demographic Analysis and Population Projection System, also known as DAPPS, is a software tool designed to help users conduct demographic analysis and produce population projections. This is the first in a series of tutorials demonstrating DAPPS. Today I'm going to walk you through the first steps in using DAPPS, installing DAPPS on your computer and opening a new portfolio. Let's start with DAPPS installation. If you have not already downloaded DAPPS, you can do that from the Census Bureau's website at www.census.gov/data/software/dapps.html. Look under the Download tab toward the bottom of the page and click on the link to download DAPPS. Prior to running the installer, please ensure your computer's operating system is Microsoft Windows XP or higher. After running the installation process, a shortcut to DAPPS will be placed on your desktop. Double-click that shortcut to start DAPPS. This will bring up the DAPPS home screen. Now, let's create a portfolio. On the home screen, click the New Portfolio button. You will see a pop-up window open that asks you to name the new portfolio. Let's call this one My Pop Projection. You can preview the tile that will appear on the home screen by clicking on the green button below the portfolio name. If the tile looks okay, then you can click on the Create Portfolio button at the bottom. Now, on the home screen, there is a new portfolio tile called My Pop Projection or MPP in the Saved Portfolio section. Currently, the available actions for the portfolio in the home screen are delete and export the portfolio. The red Delete button allows you to delete the portfolio. The light blue Export Portfolio button allows you to save the portfolio to a location of your choice on your computer. Now you have learned how to install DAPPS, create a new portfolio, delete, and export a portfolio. In our next video, we will look at importing data into DAPPS.